This segment is sponsored by Michigan Auto Law. Although Distracted Driving Awareness Month is almost over, it's more critical than ever to avoid distractions as summer brings more people out onto the roads. Of course, the warmer weather also brings lots of construction projects, which adds yet another element of danger. Brandon Hewitt is here from Michigan Auto Law to talk about keeping it safe this summer. It's an aggravating time, but we all love to get out there too when the weather gets good.
We just had these construction projects start in the kind of center of downtown, so it's a good time to start talking about staying safe.
Yeah, all right, well, let's do that. You provided a couple of statistics that I want to share with folks from Michigan State Police. There are more than 20,000 crashes in Michigan during 2017 that involved distracted driving, resulting in 72 fatalities. Also, Michigan saw a 57% increase in distracted driving crashes, a 67% increase in fatalities from those crashes 2016 to 2017. The statistics are in. We're fiddling with too much stuff while we're driving, right?
Yeah, it's sad and it's disturbing. You know, we've been talking with you guys for about a year now about this issue, and unfortunately it looks like things are getting worse and not better. So the more that we can do to kind of bring this to the attention of everybody and really take it seriously, the better I think everybody's going to be. Yeah,
there has been a lot of discussion about changing the laws in Michigan, and a lot of confusion about what are the laws around distracted driving and these devices in our vehicles. Set it straight for us.
So currently, where the Michigan law stands right now is that you cannot read, send, or receive a text message. Very tight on text messaging. But it really doesn't say a whole lot about reading social media, reading emails, or even being on the phone. So certain cities, Battle Creek for example, are taking things a step further. They're banning all cell phone use, period. So now the Lansing legislature has introduced a couple of bills that are going to take on no social media reviews, no email reviews, and actually introducing requirements of hands-free phone use. So no more up here, it's got to be on Bluetooth or through the speaker of your phone.
It's kind of sad we have to go that far, but it's just crazy. You gave me a couple of cases that I think are interesting to share with people. Last fall, a man in Monroe was sentenced 15 years in prison for texting and driving. He killed 2 people while doing that.
So finally, the penalties are starting to catch up to where we see alcohol-related crashes and fatalities. I think for a long time, the legislature wasn't sure what to do with this, but the statistics show that texting and distracted driving is just as or more dangerous than drinking and driving. And so now we're starting to see those criminal penalties starting to match up with those.
The teen drivers, young drivers, that's one pocket of folks that you really want to connect with this message.
Yeah, I think that, you know, look, they're the most affected, but we also think they're the most effective in getting this message out as far as teaching people to not drive distracted. So what we've done, we've partnered with Bonnie Raphael, whose daughter unfortunately passed away from a distracted driving crash at 17 years old. She's responsible for the current law of Kelsey's Law, which prohibits cell phone use for teen drivers. And so we've partnered with her, and each year we give away $5,000 in scholarships to Michigan high school students in an effort to get the message out as far as giving us a graphic, a video, or a tweet that we can help convince people to take distracted driving more seriously.
Yeah, I know that you've put more information about exactly how that works on your website. If you want to learn more about Kelsey's Law, we've also got a link to that site. Go to 13onyourside.com, you'll find it there. It's good to have you here, Brandon.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for the work you're doing.
Thank you.